If you're someone who loves a rich, perfectly brewed cup of coffee, whether you're at home or out in the wild, the BaseCamp Coffee Press by BruTrek is a game changer. Designed for adventurers and coffee lovers alike, this 32 flawless coffee press combines rugged durability with innovative brewing technology. The double-wall, vacuum-insulated stainless steel body ensures that your coffee stays hot for hours, while the Bru-Stop Technology guarantees a smooth, flavorful brew every time, without any gritty coffee grounds in your cup. Why the BaseCamp Coffee Press stands out: unmatched durability for adventurers. Do you need coffee gear that can withstand the elements? The BaseCamp Coffee Press is built for rugged outdoor environments. Its straight-wall body and laser-welded handle make it incredibly sturdy, ready to endure the bumps and scrapes of camping trips or long hikes. Unlike traditional glass French presses that are prone to breaking, this stainless steel press is designed to handle whatever adventure throws at it. Whether you're brewing coffee in the mountains or on the beach, the BaseCamp Coffee Press has got you covered. Features that enhance your brewing experience. 1. Double-wall vacuum insulation, keeping coffee hot for hours. One of the standout features of this coffee press is its double-wall, vacuum-insulated stainless steel body, which ensures that your coffee stays hot for hours. Whether you're brewing early in the morning at a campsite or enjoying a slow coffee break at home, you won't have to worry about your drink getting cold. This heat-retaining design also means the exterior remains cool to the touch, even when the coffee inside is piping hot, a perfect blend of functionality and convenience. 2. Bru-Stop Technology. Smooth, grit-free coffee. If you've ever brewed coffee using a traditional French press, you've probably encountered the frustrating issue of coffee grounds finding their way into your cup. The Bru-Stop technology eliminates this problem. Featuring a tempered steel plate that rests on the ultrafine mesh plunger, the Bru-Stop system prevents over-extraction and ensures the coffee grounds stay at the bottom. This means you get a smooth, flavorful brew down to the last sip, without the bitterness or sediment typically found in French press coffee. 3. No-spill lid with easy pour spout. Nobody likes a messy pour, especially when you're outdoors and every drop of coffee counts. The BaseCamp Coffee Press comes equipped with a no-spill locking lid that not only keeps your beverage secure, but also features an easy pour spout for controlled, mess-free pouring. Whether you're filling up a travel mug or sipping straight from the press, this feature ensures a clean and effortless pour every time. 4. Padded, no-slip bottom, stability on any surface. Imagine brewing your coffee on uneven surfaces like rocky trails or picnic tables. The padded rubber bottom of the BaseCamp Coffee Press provides extra grip, so you don't have to worry about it slipping or tipping over. This added stability makes it a reliable choice for outdoor enthusiasts, ensuring your coffee stays safe and sound, even in challenging environments. One of the main reasons people love the BaseCamp Coffee Press is its portability. This press is perfect for campers. Whether you're deep in the wilderness or just enjoying a weekend camping trip, this coffee press ensures you get your caffeine fix wherever you are. Travelers. The 32 flawless capacity is large enough to brew several cups at once, making it perfect for sharing with friends or family while on the go. Everyday use. While it's designed for adventure, this coffee press is also great for daily use at home or the office, providing a premium coffee experience without the hassle of traditional brewing methods. Pros and cons of the BaseCamp Coffee Press. Pros: durable design, built to withstand the elements, perfect for outdoor adventures. Heat retention. The double-wall insulation keeps coffee hot for hours. Grit-free coffee. Bru-Stop technology ensures no grounds in your cup. No-spill lid. The locking lid prevents spills and features an easy pour spout. Stable base. The padded stout no-slip bottom offers added stability on uneven surfaces. Cons: weight. Due to its stainless steel construction, it's heavier than some other portable coffee makers, which might be a consideration for ultralight hikers. Price. The high-quality materials and innovative features come at a slightly higher price point compared to other French presses, but the durability and performance are well worth the investment. The BaseCamp Coffee Press isn't just for campers or adventurers, it's for anyone who loves a great cup of coffee. Whether you're a coffee connoisseur looking for better flavor control or someone who simply wants a reliable, easy-to-use coffee press, this product delivers on all fronts. With features like the Bru-Stop Technology, no-spill lid, and vacuum insulation, it provides a premium coffee experience in a durable, portable design. If you're tired of coffee presses that leave grounds in your cup or can't keep your coffee hot, the BaseCamp Coffee Press is the solution you've been waiting for. The final verdict. Is the BaseCamp Coffee Press worth it? Absolutely. For anyone who enjoys coffee on the go, the BaseCamp Coffee Press by BruTrek is a must-have. Its rugged design, combined with the innovative Bru-Stop technology, makes it a standout product in the world of portable coffee makers. You'll love the ease of brewing, the rich, smooth coffee, and the peace of mind knowing your coffee will stay hot for hours. Whether you're brewing at home or out in the wild, this coffee press delivers exceptional results. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.